Very often, we want to display our collection data in tables. And with Noloco, you have two different options. The standard tables view and then the full width tables view as well. To choose the tables display option, I'm going to toggle on edit mode using my keyboard shortcut Command E. Click to surface the builder sidebar and then go into display. Here I see that the regular table display option has been selected. As is probably quite obvious, the only difference between the regular table and the full width table is that the full width table takes up the entirety of the width of the screen. But for a view like this where I really only want to show a couple of different columns of data, I don't actually need the full width table, so instead I'm going to choose the regular table here. However, if I go to my orders page here, I can see that there's a lot more information on this page, so it makes sense for me to use the full width table. Like with our other collection views, we're able to group records by a particular field. So in this instance, I might want to group orders by a particular status. And then I can see which order has a received state, invoice, preparing, or has been shipped. By default, I have drag and drop enabled on this collection view, so my users can easily drag records between different states and update their order status. I'm just going to update this back to invoiced. Finally, one more thing we can do with our table views is that we can freeze the first column that shows here while we scroll horizontally. So I'm going to go back into edit mode. And when I hover over the first field here and click on the pencil icon, I see an option to freeze column when scrolling. Now this option is currently only available for the first column in our list here. And once enabled, this column becomes sticky as we scroll horizontally. Now at the moment, I actually haven't selected to display enough fields for this to take effect. So I'm going to quickly toggle on all the other fields that I have available here in this collection just to show you. So now, when I scroll horizontally, I see that the order number remains on the screen the entire time. And this can be useful if you want to look at record fields at the end of our list here. So that's how you can use the tables or full width tables collection views to easily and neatly show your data from your Noloco collections.